Okay, we are at the Georgia Aquarium for a very interesting partnership with Atlanta Public Schools, and we would like both of you to introduce yourself.
Awesome. I'm Isolde Antonio, and I'm the Student Support Coordinator out of the Office of High Schools.
Hi, I'm Audrey Anderson. I'm Manager Education Department, Georgia Aquarium.
Ms. Antonio, if you could talk a little bit about the partnership we have in the event that we're having today.
Yes. The partnership that we have now are for our high schools, and basically what we've done is we've created a four-part collaboration.
Okay.
And what that entails is that we have high school students coming to visit the aquarium and get a behind-the-scenes sneak peek at what goes on, how is the aquarium run, and things of that nature. And then the teachers integrate that experience in their lessons through the Georgia Performance Standards. And then what we're doing is we're building upon that, and the students will have projects that they create and culminate that project with the trip back to the aquarium in the spring. Also, we're going to work on securing some internships for our seniors and some scholarship dollars to try to get more students involved in the marine biology when they make those post-secondary choices. And just really having the students have an understanding of the importance of the aquarium and how they can give back to marine biology and just conservatism.
And talk about the aquarium's role in helping provide that kind of education.
The aquarium is ecstatic about being able to support the Atlanta Public Schools. We feel that we are here in the community, and so we need to be the resource for Atlanta Public Schools. We're here supporting the teachers. Our educators at the Georgia Aquarium are our liaisons to the Atlanta Public School teachers and helping them to create these lessons that we can use here at the Georgia Aquarium as well as back at the high schools.
Okay, now what are we doing in this room right here? Let's sort of walk through who's talking to who about what.
Awesome. Well, right here we have May's Leadership Boys Academy, working with their Georgia Aquarium instructor, and they're actually creating a lesson right now in which the students will come back and learn different lessons. So let's see. I believe they're discussing what standards are you all going to cover? Or
oh my goodness! Take a look at all of these ideas.
I know.
We have a lot of stuff going on.
One that pops out. One main one.
Animal adaptation and behavior. That's one of the concepts of one of the standards that we have to cover for a second semester. And so what we're trying to do is come up with some phenomenal projects that we can form a team with the aquarium and have the students actually do that ties all of the standards into the project, and so they have a good connection.
So what are some animals that you're going to study on their behaviors?
Well, you know, we were talking about the students that came here a few months ago, and there was a student, Jalen, that had a fascination with the belugas. So that might be something that we go and work more on. I know that all the ideas that we're coming up with are going to be presented to the students because we want them to take ownership on what the project is. We don't want them to just have an assignment that we give them and they have to do it begrudgingly. So hopefully they'll pick something that is of interest to them, and we can.
Awesome. So we're going to see how belugas behave, huh?
Yeah. Well, you know, and we were talking about it. You know, with Jalen having an interest and other students having an interest, and then having the arrival of two new belugas, the behavior, watching the behavior of the two younger ones, watching how the older ones interacted with the younger ones, and then watching how the harbor seals and the belugas interacted. There's a lot of dynamics in there, so it is going to be very interesting to see what the kids come up with. So,
well, thank you.
Well, thank you all for taking the time, and good luck with the rest of the day.
Thank you.